Good evening and thanks for joining us. You could be seeing more money in your paychecks. President Donald Trump recently issued an executive order to help many Americans. At 5 o'clock, we told you some are choosing not to take part in this. Now, News 10's Richard Solomon joins us in the newsroom with why.
The money with the payroll tax deferral will have to be paid back, but doubled. And that's a risk local business owner Connie Wren says just isn't worth it to her in the end. She says her employees have been through enough this year, and she doesn't want to put them on another roller coaster in the future. Connie Wren says it's been a tough year as a business owner.
It's horrible. It's been bad. I'm running at about 25% of what I used to run.
While trying to keep the lights on at her bar, The Verve, she's also trying to make sure her employees can do the same. And an executive order issued by the president could do just that. The payroll tax deferral would allow employees to see more money in their checks by not taking out the federal Social Security tax. But Wren says what lawmakers are calling a payroll holiday could be a nightmare.
I don't see the benefit. It's easier for me to pay something out, as I have been consistently, than in 6 months to start paying something back on top of what I owe also for that month.
The money that isn't being taken out this year would have to be taken out next year, but doubled.
At this moment, I know of no major employer in the country that is going to do this.
I spoke with Indiana State economics professor Dr. Robert Gill. He says, for example, on an $800 check, you'd see an extra $50.
This is an implementation nightmare, simply because I'm going to owe the money anyway.
Wren says the future is too unpredictable. She says it could cost her employees too much in the long run.
I think we're years from things getting back to normal. I have never experienced anything close to this.
If Wren were to go through with this, her employees would have to pay that tax back from January through April of next year. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Richard Solomon. Patrice, back to you.